Hey, it's Ben Gray, and today I've got a tip for BMW riders who have a TFT display like I've got on my GS here. I love the TFT. The problem with it is when I connect my iPhone, the phone book on the TFT always is updating. No numbers ever populate in it, so I can't make a phone call through the motorcycle. Now, I've done a lot of research online. BMW seems to blame Apple, Apple blames BMW. Haven't found any solutions. Turns out it's a really easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So right now you go to telephone, phone book, updating. That's all it ever seems to say. So here's the fix. Go to your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, and we're going to find the ICC 6.5. That's the screen. That's what the screen shows up on my phone as. So if you look in here, it's trying to sync all contacts. Uncheck that. I've probably got 800 contacts in here, and I think it doesn't have enough memory to fit all those. So right now, phone favorites and phone recents are the only two that I have checked. Let's fire the bike back up and see what happens. All right, phone's connected. Go to telephone, phone book, boom, there we go. My favorites, go down to call list, my recents, and it's ready to use. Hope this helps you.